Welcome to our latest listing, 106 Overland Drive. I'm Liz Compton.
And I'm Julian Compton, and we'd love you to come on for a tour and see what you think.
This gorgeous semi offers so much. A spacious main floor with an open concept renovated kitchen.
This location couldn't get any better. Quiet cul-de-sac and just steps to Don Mills walking trail, great schools, TTC, and of course the wonderful shops at Don Mills. This family home is perfect, with a large lot and a driveway that holds 4 cars, brand new windows and front door. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely property, 106 Overland Drive. If you'd like a private tour, please give us a call. My cell is 416-554-7724.
And mine is 416-802-2497. Make it a great day, and until next time, all the best from Team Compton.